Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best gutter cleaning tools that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Gutter Getter Rake. The plastic-made unit easily fits on the hand and can be used on all kinds of gutters. Also, it features a convenient handle for easy reach and a blade that scrapes the mud, leaves, twigs, and other debris. This unit's unique shape allows it to be used inside as well as underneath the gutter and comes with a convenient hook for easy hanging. In addition to good design, good performance, and lightweight, this rake is picked because of its slender design that easily fits inside most gutters. This unit's unique shape allows it to be used inside as well as underneath the gutter and comes with a convenient hook for easy hanging. In addition to good design, good performance, and lightweight, this rake is picked because of its slender design that easily fits inside most gutters. At number 4. Smop Gutter Cleaning Tool. As suggested by the name, this gutter cleaning tool will chomp all the dirt and debris from your gutter. The simple device can be used on different types of gutters since it readily conforms to the shape. The unit features a simple design that enables it to be connected to a pole for smooth operation. Furthermore, it will leave your gutters clean in a matter of minutes and doesn't require too much effort and time. The cleaner effortlessly removes black streaks, gunk, and other compounds that may interfere with the operation of the gutter. Last but not least, the reusable piece is easy to clean and will last for many applications. At number 3. Handheld Cleaning Scoop. This scoop will get rid of all the twigs, mud, leaves, and debris that may be interfering with the water flow. Its simple and innovative design makes the activity look very easy and also lessens the time needed. Moreover, the flexible piece easily fits on different types and sizes of gutters, whether big or small. To protect the hands and fingers from scratches, bruises, scrapes, and knocks, the handle is placed at a high position. Last but not least, it is easy to clean and doesn't stain easily, guaranteeing you of durability. Gutter Getter Scoop makes a tough cleaning job quick and easy. Because it is flexible, Gutter Getter Scoop will fit in any gutter. It removes 2 big handfuls with each scoop. High handle position protects against scrapes and scratches. Gutter Getter Scoop has many other uses. Also marked for measurement. At number 2. Wet Dry Vacuum Gutter Cleaning Kit. Cleaning the gutters doesn't mean you are climbing ladders or being too close to the gutter. With this gutter cleaning system, you can still get amazing results while working from a distance. This unit features several accessories, including elbows, nozzles, and extension wands that direct air to the desired regions. Furthermore, it is compatible with the normal vacuum cleaner and can be hooked within minutes. Lastly, the simple accessory is very flexible and can be used even in tight locations and is great in both wet and dry situations. And finally at number 1. Pro Pole Extension Pole 6 to 12 foot. Cleaning the gutter shouldn't be difficult. With this extension pole, you will be able to reach long distances without straining yourself. This makes the cleaning exercise more straightforward, thorough and prevents you from slipping or falling. This simple pole measures 6 feet long but can be extended up to 12 feet. The Pro Pole has a fluted fiberglass handle and anodized aluminum slider. Anodizing prevents rust and provides a smooth glide when extending. The Nylar universal threaded end fits most standard threaded tools. The compression mechanism locks at any extended length. The coarse threads provide quick lock and unlock and prevent over-tightening. The end cap has a hole for a peg hook for easy storage. Also, it features a sturdy collet and chunk for locking the device, while the lightweight makes handling convenient. Consumers choose this item because it is sturdy, compact, lightweight, easy to use, and cleans gutters pretty well. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.